Welcome back.
Hi, welcome back.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
That dingo ate my baby.
I came out into the front yard and the dogs were across the road. And as soon as they saw me, they came bounding over.
Relax, unwind, your worries behind.
Relax! One little insect could be an absolute pain in the neck.
What's it take to get you lot moving this morning?
This is the plaintiff, Robert Johnson. He says he was barely taken advantage of by the defendant.
Let's get physical.
I'm a massive fan of scallops.
While most of us are in bed, these people are working out.
Aren't you boys a little old for patty caking?
This is the moving truck.
Incredible.
You're not going to fart now, are you?
Ew, that is so gross. I can't believe you said that or used that word. That's not a good word. You say bunt or poot or boo. Well, that's what we said when I was a kid.
Pooted.
Oh, it's not that, sir, but you see, well, he's got some sort of a mysterious power over us.
Paint? Oh, yeah. You need it? They've got it. Yeah, well, it's got a great flavour, hasn't it?
Now you're talking.
Give me a break.
Screw
with your brother, all right?
Trying to get a little piece of work done here. Okay?
Everyone loves fresh vegetables.
Come on, Fred.
Buttermilk biscuits.
Okay.
Honor your mother and father. My family is busy flying 12 orange jets, 8 purple jets, to bring in supplies, the big radios, not the local scooter putters that
Come on. Okay. Thanks a lot.
And then there's Buck Johnson.
Thanks a lot.
The internet.
Does digital technology give you the shits?
Does your car need new tires?
And best of all, having a lot of fun.
I really enjoyed it. I loved doing it to music, but the next day I just literally couldn't walk.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
Reese's Figgy Piggy actually made me feel a bit sicky-wicky.
Afraid I didn't knock the chicken. He was scared.
Yes, that's all right. How'd I tell you? You want to wrap it up?
Yeah. He was a poor little chook. I wouldn't do that to him.
The internet.
I'm not sure.
Bring back Slide, I say.
That's all from us tonight. Have a good weekend. Good night.